Good afternoon, everyone. Guys, can you hear me? Yeah, very good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, sir.
So, guys, how many done all three? How many done all three? Okay. Sunita, Bhavin, Lijina. You guys done all three. Ashwini. Okay. How many done two programs out of three? Two programs out of three. Okay. So, Subhashish, which program you cannot able to done? Two programs you done. Which one you cannot done? Okay. Prava, what about you? Keshav, Keshav, third one. Okay. Guys, I drop message to someone. Can you please tell me who got this message? Check everyone. Okay. So what's your name? Just now you dropped the message third. Then Rajeshwari. Why you mention your name as admin? You have your own great name. Keep that only as a attendance. Otherwise, they will ask who is the admin student. Change your name. Change your name now only. Okay. How many done? One. Now tell which one. Whoever people done one program, which one you done? Okay. So Madan Kumar, can you share your screen and explain the code? I'll make you presenter, Madan. Share your screen, Madan, and explain factorial program. Hey, Madan, I can't able to hear you. What you said? What happened to your mic? Madan, are you there? Madan, can you hear me? Leave it. Okay, Yogendra, you done first one? Can you explain? Yeah, not done, huh? Suvasmita, can you explain? Suvasmita? Okay, I'll make you presenter. Share your screen, Suvasmita. Can you speak out? Suvasmita, turn on your mic and speak out. Guys, can
Sir?
anyone able to hear her?
Can you hear me, sir?
Huh. Now I can hear you. Explain.
Sir, is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, I will take your integer as a 5. For fact, for initial, I take fact as 1. Entry to while loop, where I is greater than to 0. Your condition is this. Entry to loop. When, hello?
Yes, go on.
Yeah. For factorial 5, we take as integer as a 5. Then factor 5 is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. For this, for starting 5, I take is I as 5. 5 is greater than 0. Then entry to loop, where 5 factorial 5 into I, where I is 5 and initial stress fact is 1. Then 5 into 1. We take fact as 1 because if we multiply any number with 1, it gives same number as a result. That's why I take fact as 1. In fact, fact into I have I as 5 into 1, that is 5. Then I minus minus or I minus 1. Then it gives 5 minus 1, 4. Then as a flip, then back to while loop, where I is equal to 4 and 4 is greater than to 0. Then entry to loop, where fact is 4 into I. That means here our fact is 5, where I is equal to 4. Then 5 into 4, that is to 20. Factorial is 20. Then I minus 1, that is to here. Our I is 3. Then come to while loop. 3 is greater than to 0. Then enter to loop where our fact here is 20. Then 20 into fact into I, that means 20 into 3. It gives us as a result 60. And I is I minus 1. Again, our I is 2. Then enter to loop where 2 is greater than to 0. Then come to fact into I, that means 6 into 2, 120. And I is equal to I minus 1, 2 minus 1, it gives us the result 1. Then entry to come back to loop, where 1 is greater than to 0. Fact is 120 here, 120 into 1, that gives us the result 120. Then I minus 1, that it 1 minus 1, it gives us a result 0. Then 0 is greater than to 0, where condition is false. Then it gives us a result 120.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
Guys, is anyone do this in a different manner?
Sir, can I compile or back to?
It's okay. You can unshare your screen.
Okay.
Okay. Saroj, how many program you done? Saroj, how many program you done? Why? Why, Saroj? Not even single. Okay. Guys, how many people done this factorial program by using for loop? Suvasmita explained by using while loop. How many done by using for loop? Okay. Ravi Narayan Sahu, can you explain? Fine. Share your screen, Ravi.
So this one is my program, sir.
Increase the font, man.
1 second, sir.
Leave it. Visible.
Okay, sir.
Make
I am
it full
taking
screen.
the. 1 second, sir. Okay, sir. I am taking the 10 factorial, sir. So I take the number equal to 10, and for storing the factorial number, I take the fact equal to 1 initial. So then I came in using the for loop for int equal to, so for int I equal to 1, I less than equal to num, I plus plus, fact equal to fact
Hmm.
into I. When checking the for loop condition, int I equal to 1, I num less than equal to number, means I 1 is less than equal to 10, then it goes to the next step, fact equal to fact into I. Fact initial is 1, I value is 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1, I plus plus. I value is 1, increment to 2. Then comes under the for loop, fact equal to fact into I. Initial fact value is 1, 1 into 2 equal to 2. Then I plus plus increment, I equal to 3. Initial is fact equal to 2, I becomes 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Then I plus plus, then I equal to 4. Then 4 into 3, 4 into 6. In that, I can get the factorial value up to 10th number.
Okay. Fine, man.
Should I run this,
Unshare
sir?
your screen. No need. It will work. Okay, guys. How many people done second question? First 50 numbers. How many done? Okay. Vidyut Prabha, explain. I'll make you presenter. Share your screen. Share your screen, Prabha. Ligina, your mic is on. Turn it off. Why, Prabha? Why it is like this? You can do one thing, Prabha. You join the session by phone also. Let this system share the screen. Join the session by phone also. In a phone, you can have a mic. I don't think any problem will be there in a phone. Okay. In your phone, join the session. Download GoToMeeting app, join the session. See, guys, now only I am saying to everyone, if you guys having some mic issue in your system, mic not working or something, immediately join the session on phone and speak. Tell me, in interview, will you say like this, sir, I have a mic issue, I cannot speak with you? Yeah, so make it. Prabha, join the session on phone na. From phone you can turn on the mic and speak. Prava, are you joining the session on phone? Hey, how it is possible, Prava? Go to Go to meeting app and type this session ID. Give this ID and it will work. Open Go to meeting app in your mobile. Add this ID and you can join the session. No, Prava, you are not audible. Guys, can anyone else able to hear? Prava, did you unmute your mic? Unmute your mic, Prava. No, it's saying cross mark here. You didn't connect to audio in your phone. Connect to audio. Okay. Prava, I want to listen explanation from you only. Now you do one thing. Disconnect from a phone. Call on my number. I will keep my phone on loudspeaker. So all others also can hear you. My mic is working fine. Okay.
Hello. Good afternoon, sir. Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Sir, actually, my mic is problem because it's old laptop, na. Before 5 to 6 years, there is 2-port connection for means mic and speaker. That's its problem. So,
But you have to make it fix, na. What happened if today is the interview?
sir, I fixed it. I used by the 2-port connection, but still it is not working. Okay.
Okay, guys, is all other people able to hear Prava? Prava, start your explanation.
Sir, I took a num as a variable and initialize that variable as 100 because our requirement is starting from 100. That's why. And int count 1 because it goes up to 50 times to get our 50 palindrome number. That's why I took count is 1. And I took while loop count less than equal to 50. Then num plus plus means it increases every time our number 100 as a 101, 102 like that and check. That's why num plus plus. Then I took a variable reverse for initialize that 0 and temp another variable temp and temp equal to num. Then while loop where temp not equal to 0, then it will check the reminder, get reminder and we get reverse value, then another temp divided by 10. In this loop, we get the temp value, and if that reverse value, if that reverse is equal to num in if condition, then it will print that num, and in that count plus plus means that I initialize that count 1, then here it is goes to count 2. Same way, it's go to the starting count should be now it's 1, 2, then 2 less than equal to 50. The condition is satisfied. Then enter to the next loop and num plus plus means it will now it is 101 and reverse will 0 temp 101. Then temp not equal to 0 101 int reminder temp modulus 10 reminder and we get reverse value by reversing to 10 plus reminder. Then we get 10 new number, and that number will check, reverse number will check again that's equal to num or not, then it will print the number is palindrome or not. Like that, the loop is going on. Hello?
Okay. Can you run the program?
Yes, sir. Now it's given.
Check Prava whether you save the program exactly with that name or not. Go to Java 1 directory. Go to Java 1 directory. Check that file is there. What you give.
Yes, sir.
Okay, copy that name exactly what you give there.
Sir, he wrote the second line that Java C error is coming.
Java C.
Yeah. You compile as Java C, but you
It should be only Java, na? It should be only Java.
No, for companies in
Okay,
Java,
open
for
CMD,
application Java.
Prava, open CMD.
Yes, sir.
Type Java C.
Sir.
Paste that file name. Now run.
So,
Okay, fine. Fine. And share your screen. Cut the cost. Guys, by the way, how many people understood her logic, what she written? To make first 50 palindrome numbers. Okay. So guys, who else make second one in some different manner? Let it be Ravi. For as my concern is make a program. Let it be lengthy, no issue. Okay, Rajeshwari, you explain now. Second one. Wait, let me make you presenter. Rajeshwari, you join by two devices. Which one I
Yes,
need to
sir.
view presenter? To which you are speaking?
Sir, I'm speaking through mobile.
Okay. I will give to different one. Share your screen.
Yes, sir.
Explain.
Yes, sir. Like I have done this program by using for loop. So initially I have taken I as 100. Like since we have the question like from 100 you have to start. And I have taken the condition as it should be lesser than or equal to 1000. Like just it's an like it's an assumption like up to 50 we are told no sir. That's why just I taken 100 to 1000. And next I have taken reverse is equal like I have initialized reverse variable as 0 and temp is equal to I have taken. And well, temp is not equal to 0. We have to calculate the remainder by using modulus. And after that, I have calculated the reverse of that number. After that, I have compared the I value with the reverse. Like if it is same, then I have placed that I value in the variable p. And after that, I have increased the count as +1. And if the count is lesser than or equal to 50, I'm printing that value.
Okay, run the program.
Hello.
Run the program.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Fine,
sir.
Rajeshwari. Answer yours.
Okay, sir. Yeah, okay, sir.
Who done third one? How many people done third one? Okay. So, Bhavin, I think you are ready to explain, correct?
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, sir.
Share your screen, Bhavin.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, share and start explaining the program.
Sir, my screen visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Sir, just a minute. Sir, in this program, we need a question. If a number is 1, 2, 3, then number of digit present in the number it is my power of individual number. That's why I write a question also. 1 power of 3, 2 power of 3, 3 power of 3, and we need to get output 36. Let's take a one number 1, 2, 3. Then sir, first of all we need to count the number in the digit. Here sir, 1, 2 and 3 digit. That's why I first of all I need to count 3 digit. So after giving integer number, I create a one while loop for just counting number for 1, 2, 3, and one temporary not for number as it is 1, 2, 3. That's why I creating one more temporary variable and give same number from num, and take a while loop on temporary. That's why first of all temp value is 1, 2, 3. That's why it is not equal to 0, and enter into the while loop. Then temp is equal to 1, 2, 3 divided by 10. Then temp convert into 12, and count plus count one more variable. I create count because we need to count how many digits in number. Then if while loop were running, one count plus. That's why count value 0 to 1. Then while loop go again. Then here our value is 12. 12 enter into the while loop. Then 12 divided by 10. Our new value for temp is equal to 2, and count plus, and our count will become 2. After 2, our temp value is 2, and 2 is not equal to 0. That's why entering once again in the loop. Then our temp is equal to 2 divided by 10. That's why our temp new value is equal to 0. And one more time count plus, and that's why count become 3. So our count is 3 because of our number is 3 digit. That's why count will become 3 here. Then for we need to each and every digit in power of 3. That's why I make one more while loop for creating a square. So in a new while loop, I create number. It is present in our original number 1, 2, 3. We take a number, and for square, I take just one number for square. Here we will doing cube, but I just take just one variable square. Square is equal to 1 here. That's why I print just like 1 here. After count here count is 3. That's why I reinitialize a into I take one variable a and give same variable value to the a. That's why a become first of all 3. Then then I take a reminder. So first of all, num is equal to 1, 2, 3 and modulus 10. That's why reminder will become 3. And after a is here, first of all, a is here 3 and 3 is not equal to 0. That's why it's entering into the while loop. And our square value is first is 1, here 1, and our reminder getting 3. So that's why our new square value is 3. Then I take a minus minus because we need 3 times running for cube and I minus minus. That's why my a value become 2. And after 2, while loop go again because a is my new value is a is 2. A is my new value is 2 and 2 is not equal to 0. That's why we again enter into the loop. Square our last square value is 3 and once again here 3 and reminder also remain 3. That's why our new square value is 9. That's why after while once again enter into the once again in a while loop, our new square here 9 into 3. That's why we get 27. It's for just last digit 3 number and same for 2 and 1. And I create ANS just one variable to addition whichever output is coming. I just addition into the new. So first of all, I take answer is equal to here 0, and after getting square value, I plus every square value in answer. So first here from last digit 3, I get 27 value. That's why I add 0 plus 27, and after complete while loop, then it become once again running same loop, and we are getting for two number, and we are getting 2 cube is equal to 8. That's why I adding 27 plus 8 because of this equation. And continue till last digit 1, and that's why printing 36, and my last answer value is 36, and that's why output will get 36. Sir, understand?
Okay, run the program, man.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Good, Bhavin. Who else done third one? I think Sunita. Sunita, can you explain? Share your screen, Sunita.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah. Guys, can all others can see the screen?
Yes, sir. I have taken one variable num and I have assigned the number to that one, and another original I have taken, and the same value I have stored in that. Res means rest I have taken one variable, int variable 0. Reminder I have taken 0. Then I have started the while loop. When number is not equal to 0, reminder will store the mod value. Mod will be stored in this. Then number will become 123. And then count plus plus. As count is 0 now, count will become 1. Then it will run again. As num is not 0 yet, 123, then in reminder 3 will be stored and num will become 12 and count will become 2. Then again it will run as num is not 0 yet. So num reminder will be 2, num will be 1 and count will be 3. Again it will run and likewise count will be 4 here, sir. So like that we'll get the number of digit present in the number, whatever we have given. Then that num has become 0 here, so I have reinitialized it to original, as original is the number we have taken, and reminder I have reinitialized to 0. Then I have to print the number is this and number of digit present is count. Then I have taken one more while loop. When number is not equal to 0, the same thing will happen, but I have taken one more variable as mul, and I have initialized it at 1, because something multiplied by 1 is the same thing only. Then I have taken one for loop, j equal to 1, j less than equal to count. As 4 digits are there, 4 times it will run. Then multiplication mul equal to mul into reminder. The value will be having in the reminder. It will multiply to that one. Then the result will be result plus multiplication. Result value I have initialized at 0. So the first value it will add and it will print the result, sir. Am I clear, sir? Yes, sir. Number is 1234, number of digit is 4 and result is 354. We can change the number and can check also, sir. Shall I do that?
Okay, do it. Take only 23.
23. Got, sir.
Fine.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, unshare your screen. Guys, now one thing I want to tell you guys, okay, especially one thing for Bhavin. Bhavin, can you hear me? Okay. So Bhavin, whenever you are explaining your program or whenever you are speaking, okay, at that time, I feel like there means something is there which lags in your communication. Okay. Means some you are trying to make yourself better. I'm not denying that. But the scene is okay. There is some proper is not specific. Are you getting my? Okay. But Bhavin, yourself better. Am I clear? Otherwise, remaining in your programming, what code you written, that is absolutely correct. No issue. So, come back to the program. Guys, how many not understood factorial? Tell me. Guys,